The lives of many individuals have been disrupted by the recent surge of catalytic converter thefts in the Bay Area. The wait for a replacement can stretch on for months, leaving a victim feeling helpless and violated. The cost of this theft, both monetary and emotional, are only increasing as the demand for these parts skyrockets and the wait for replacement lengthens. The thieves, motivated by the valuable precious metals contained within the converters, are becoming more daring and violent. The estimated increase in theft since 2019 is staggering, reaching tens of millions of dollars in stolen parts. However, one muffler shop owner in Albany Avenue has come up with a solution, retrofitting a car with a custom metal cover to deter thieves. While anti-theft devices have proven ineffective, this solution has so far been successful in keeping cars safe. Despite the efforts to prevent further thefts, many drivers are still left feeling defenseless, waiting for the next theft to occur.